You know why the coconut tree won't fall down because of the strong wind? Let's explore with Dr. Zainun from SEAMEO RECSAM. Coconut is widely distributed in tropical region of the world. The fruit can float and endure a long journey in the seawater. Why it can withstand a strong wind? Let's look at its three important structures. Roots. The roots of coconut tree are fibrous and spread in all directions, so they are spread evenly and widely. It will produce a very strong grip on the soil below. Leaves. The leaves of a coconut tree is like a feather. The streamlined shape of the coconut leaf offers the minimum resistance to the moving air. Thus, it is easier for the coconut tree to follow the movement of the wind instead of holding to it. The trunk is non-branched, sturdy and almost perfect cylinder. The surface area of the trunk that are exposed to the wind is very small compared to the other trees with large trunks and thick leaves. For teacher's notes, this video could be used as the prompt for the context-based learning. The context can be understood in detail by exploring the world around to observe adaptive features of plants in different habitats or climates.